Do you sometimes need to look up a definition? If so, then the dictionary will be a beneficial tool. Let's look up the word Quidditch. Highlight the word and click on Dictionary. Across the top of the pop-up box we have a message indicating we are using an online dictionary. Notice the top menu. We can adjust any of our settings on the fly. Let's listen to the definition.
1. Quidditch, noun. A team sport played while straddling broomsticks, in which goals are scored by throwing a ball through any of 3 hoops fixed at either end of the pitch.
Quidditch is an English word, but what if we were in the Netherlands and had to translate it into Dutch? Our lesson indicates that Quidditch is a game played on broomsticks. Let's translate it into Dutch. Highlight the words and click on Translate. Select the language. The information at the top indicates we are using Google Translate. Let's listen to the translation.
Zwerkbal is een spel gespeeld op bezemstelen.
As you can see, we can look up words and translate them into another language. Remember, translating sentences, paragraphs, or pages may not have the correct sentence structure in the translated language. If a student is learning a new language, looking up words and translating them into their native language would help them learn their meanings and pronunciations quicker.